Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to highlight text in Confluence. If you've ever wanted to make important information jump out on your Confluence pages, or just make them easier to scan, stick with me. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to use Confluence's built-in text highlighter for permanent, colorful emphasis that stands out to every reader. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Confluence page where you want to add a highlight. Now, our first step is to select the text you want to emphasize. Use your mouse or trackpad to click and drag over the words, sentence, or even whole paragraph that needs that extra bit of attention. This is your chance to call out action items, deadlines, or any details you don't want your team to miss. If you're unsure which parts to highlight, think of it like using a real highlighter pen in a notebook. Just pick out the crucial pieces. Once your text is selected, direct your eyes to the top editing toolbar right above the content area. You're looking for the text and highlight color icon. Depending on your version or customization, this might look like a little pencil, or sometimes you'll see it sitting close to the letter A icon, which handles text color. Hover your cursor over the icons and the tooltip should pop up, confirming it's the highlight tool. Take a moment to spot it, and remember, Confluence updates its interface from time to time, so give yourself a few seconds if things look a little different. With the icon identified, go ahead and click it. Here you'll see a palette of cheerful colors appear, including options like gray, teal, lime, orange, magenta, or purple. Pick one that suits your theme, your mood, or maybe even your company brand. It's totally up to you. For example, you might choose orange for urgent tasks or teal for reference materials. This simple bit of color coding can help teams find information faster and reduce misunderstandings. Now, an important detail. Whenever you apply a highlight color, Confluence will automatically remove any existing text color from that selection, and vice versa. This isn't a glitch, it's a smart feature to keep your pages readable. If you've ever seen text that's tough to make out because the color and background clash, you know how distracting that can be. By switching out the previous style, Confluence ensures your highlight really pops and your words remain crystal clear. So if your text suddenly loses its former color, don't worry, it's by design and it's helping your page stay easy on the eyes. Take a brief moment to review your highlighted text. Does it stand out how you expected? If you want to make any adjustments, simply select the text again and choose a different color. You can experiment freely, nothing is set in stone until you're happy with the look. And if you decide later you want to remove the highlight altogether, you can repeat this process and select None or the default style from the same menu. And that's it. Highlighting in Confluence is straightforward and a fantastic way to bring structure and emphasis to your content, especially in larger documents where key details can get lost. If this tutorial helped you out, please take a second to hit the like button. Drop any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot or offer tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical Confluence tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.